What are routines and automations in smart homes?
Routines and automations are features in smart home systems that allow devices to work together automatically. They help make everyday tasks easier by letting you control lights, thermostats, locks, and more, based on set conditions. With routines and automations, your home can respond to your needs with little to no manual input.
How do routines work in a smart home?
A routine is a preset sequence of actions triggered by a single command or schedule. For example, saying good morning to your smart assistant could turn on lights, read you the news, and start the coffee maker. Routines help you group tasks and simplify your daily habits by automating multiple actions at once.
What are automations, and how are they different?
Automations use triggers such as time of day, sensor activity, or your location to activate specific actions. Unlike routines, which often require manual start or have fixed schedules, automations react automatically to events. For instance, your lights could turn off when you leave home, or your thermostat could adjust if a window is opened.
What are the benefits of routines and automations?
Smart home routines and automations save you time, enhance comfort, and can increase security. They reduce repetitive tasks and help conserve energy by only running devices when needed. Whether it's managing lights or reminding you to lock the door, routines and automations make daily life more convenient and efficient.
How can you start using routines and automations?
Begin by identifying tasks you do often, like turning on lights or adjusting temperature. Use your smart home app or assistant to set up simple routines or automations based on schedules or triggers. As you get familiar, you can create more advanced setups, tailoring your smart home to fit your unique daily routine.